Hello everyone. I wanted to do a flip of my finished 12 bits challenge journal. This journal was started in December, and we knew we weren't going to finish, and we thought we'd finish it up in January, and then Lisa had to be put into craft suspension and was not allowed to craft because of her shoulders, so we didn't get it done. And when we did get it done, I just didn't quite have time to do a video, so now I'm doing a video. I am loving this tassel fuzzy stuff that I put there. It's just great. I didn't have a lot of beads, so I had to use my fibers, and I'm really glad I did. It's nice and soft and it's fun. Came out really cute. This pocket on the cover is actually a pocket that could be used. The cover is, of course, let me get this back up in there, is of course corrugated cardboard. It has this big giant paper clip and a tassel that will come off the paper clip if you wanted to close it, and it can stay on there. I just tend to take it off. It got nice and fluffy and full. You can see that without its binding, it fluffs out quite nicely. And it has 3 signatures, and there's a lot of painty paper in it. Let me see here. I think I move it over just a little more. There we go. Each of the signatures has a nice heavy cardstock cover to it, just because I wanted to make sure that the papers inside were protected. There are lots of tags, and I'll show you those as we go along. Yes, you can see. Good. There are some shadow designs on some of the pages. I just wanted to have a little bit of less, so it's not totally white. Sorry about the glare. That is shiny. And these are the tags that are in that pocket. That's a tag in that one. See, this is a little bit darker shadow. And it's just on the back side of a piece of painty paper, but it was a plain white page, and I just wanted a little something on that page. There are lots of pockets. And belly bands. Now I made some of these. These are just painty papers. They're just a sheet of painty paper. Has a little bit of decoration. Just some journaling pages is what they are. This is just another tag. This one is a pocket, but it's also a flip up and flip down. So this one has a lot of space to write in it. And these are just tags. Just all kinds of fun. Lots of colors. And that's just the first signature. When we go into the next signature, the pockets and things are similar. I put pretty much the same kinds of pockets in each Oh, this one has 3 pieces in it. This is a little book. It has a cardstock. See, there's nice fluffiness there. There's little hearts on it. And it has cardstock, and then inside it has painty papers. There's a couple of those in the book. This is another flip up, flip down. And a couple more tags in it. That's a big tag. There's at least 1 tag in every pocket. And there's not a lot of plain white space. There's a lot of plain space. This is actually got lots of room for writing or decoration. It has a very 60s sort of theme or vibe with the colors, the flowers, the sayings that happen to be in it in different places. Can you see that one? See how the shadows... Here's another one of those little books and a tag. It's a tag. This one says, "Do you believe in rock and roll? Can music save your mortal soul?" And there again, it's just painty paper in a little notepad. And that's the second signature. And now we're going to go on to the third signature. And all these painted papers I did make myself. Now there are some scrapbook pages in here. There's some scrapbook papers in here. Not a lot of them. For the most part, the bright colors are painty paper that I have done. Like this is a piece of scrapbook paper, but this is my painty paper done on the jelly plate. And as you can see, there are lots of tags and lots of pockets. And this is stuffed, filled, just stuffed full. That one just doesn't show back there. Let's put it where it shows. There we go. we are to the back cover. So that was my 12 bits journal challenge. I did leave all my little corners without rounding them because corner rounder was not on my list of tools that I was allowed to use. So, but I really am pleased with how it came out. Let's put it in the middle. And I do hope that you enjoyed seeing the flip through, and I hope you enjoyed watching us. We're not sure if very many people played along with this one, but we think a few people did, and we would love to see your finished journals over in the Facebook group. If you're not aware, there is a link to the Facebook group down below in the description box, and we'd love to see your art over there. I'm going to read you a quote from my 1001 Ways to Creativity book and see what other chores I need to do today. To me, the greatest pleasure of writing is not what it's about, but the inner music the words make. Truman Capote. Okay, guys, go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.